Catty, hello world. This is Attorney Angel and I'm your legal angel. Hi my fellow angels. I hope that you're all staying healthy, safe and well and that you're not forgetting to pray. For this vlog, I'll be sharing with you snippets of the walking tour that I joined. I hope you enjoy watching.
Building which was the headquarters of the League of Nations in 1920. League of Nations is considered as to be the ancestor of the United Nations. And why the headquarters was there? This building wasn't built for the League of Nations, it was an hotel. As you can see, we are close to the lake, and on this side there's many 5-star hotels. So this building was a hotel, but it wasn't very lucky. Why? Because it was built in the 19th century and it was a little bit too far away from the city. And behind the neighborhood, it's called Les Paquis, and this neighborhood at the time wasn't very safe. Still now, same thing. At night.
Picture muna. Ayan. Palay Wilson. At yung kanyang kapaligiran. Of course, dapat kasama ako. And my classmates. So, tawid muna tayo sa kabila.
Nice long weekend. We did a little hold up. Yeah, so I've already been there. So I've seen it. We can make a graph. Oh, I'm so
Tingnan nyo naman ang view. Grabe. Breathtaking talaga. It's part of Lake Geneva.
I'm just thinking, it's like, if you guys spotted about it, let me know.
Sabihin nyo na kay kuya ko, that reminded me of breakwater. Pero syempre ito, mas malinis at walang kalat. Dito naman sa park, ang daming mga summer houses na pagmamay-ari ng mga mayayaman noon, na pagmamay-ari na ng gobyerno or ng University of Geneva ngayon. The first house we visited was said to be the house where Casanova lived for a time and where he made some of his writings. Ayan, ito yung bahay na yon. At syempre, kailangan may picture ako. Yan. Ang ganda niya, ang laki niya. Pagod na ako, kakaumpisa pa lang ng walking tour. Pero breathtaking ang view. Then a few steps away, you will see a memorial built for those who fought in the war. And this is a way of giving them tribute. Dapat talaga inaalala ang kabayanihan. At syempre, may picture ako. Mahaba-habang lakaran to. Grabe, napapalaban ako sa paglalakad. Mga classmates ko sanay sa lakaran. Anyway, naka 10,000 steps ako every day or more dahil sa lakad dito at sa paggamit ng efficient public transport system nila. Nakakatuwa. At ang lalawak ng kanilang open spaces, ang gaganda ng parks. Very well maintained. Lakad pa more, papunta kami dun sa museum ng sciences nila. So, lagi daw may activities doon. And as we see here, lakefront din siya. Ang ganda. At meron mga naghahanda for their science fair or science event here.
But also we have an international organization based on science, like the World Meteorological Organization and others. So this is something we don't really...
Here are some more pictures from the place. Syempre, meron akong picture dyan. Picture namin Georgina. Okay, lakad pa more. Walang katapusang lakad. Halatang pagodera na. Hazardous to your health. Medyo walang smile na sa pagod. Hindi pa nangangalahati ng walking tour. Ganyan talaga. Feeling ko pumayat ako dito dahil kakalakad. Tsaka yung hindi pa lagi kumakain ng kanin. Enjoy the view while walking. breathtaking view. Talagang kahit napapagod ka, pampaalis ng pagod. At pumunta rin kami sa bahay ni Sir Gustav Moynier na kasama sa tinuturo ko when I teach IHL because he is one of the founders of ICRC. Here it is. At ang daming backstory na kinuwento ng guide namin. Halata na sa fest ang pagod at bumaliktad na ang camera nang hindi ko napapansin. Pasensya na po, pagod lang. Yung sumunod na summer mansion that we went to had an interesting story. Ayaw ibenta nung may-ari for the longest time yung property kasi ayaw niyang magalaw yung mga sequoia trees na pinlant ng kanyang father na mga matanda na ayan sila. Kaso ngayon may sakit na sila sa sobrang tanda. Along the way, nadaanan namin yung opisina ng WTO ayan sa likod ko. Ito naman, modern building ng isang eskwelahan. Tapos malayong paglalakad na naman, papunta sa kabila. Ang haba ng lakad dito, nag-elevator na ako. Ako lang ang bukod tanging nag-elevator. Lahat ng mga kasama sa walking tour, naglakad paakyat. We also went to one of the heritage buildings and it is where the Philippine Mission is located. Tumaan din kami sa biotech building. Mas bago-bago yung building and mas modern daw ang facilities nito. Siyempre ginastusan. This modern building is owned by a Japanese tobacco company and lagi nababasag ang kanyang salamin at 10,000 francs ang isang salamin bawat palit. So we continued walking until we reached the other side and you will see the buildings that house the Graduate Institute in Switzerland where officials, diplomats, and leaders of the world study or have their trainings. And then in the same area, you see the red buildings. These are high school buildings. Yan. Ayan. And from here, tanaw din yung bahay na tinirhan ni Nelson Mandela. And also, tanaw din dito yung mga buildings sa pinagawa ng Swiss government for refugees yan, made of wood. And then, nakakatanggap ng ayuda yung mga nakatira dyan kasi mahal ang cost of living sa Switzerland. So, talagang sinusuportahan din sila. Ayan ulit yung bahay ni Nelson Mandela. And then yan, tanaw mo dyan yung Commission on Human Rights. Ayun. Yes. Okay, a clear view of the house where Nelson Mandela lived. Okay, so we continued again the walking sa park. For me, this was the highlight of the walking tour since we got to see the Palais de Nation and the giant broken chair and the view of the Waipo over there. Okay, so the giant broken chair, the tour guide said that this was because of the landmine victims. And also it symbolizes that even if you're not complete, you can stand. And then here, you see the Palais de Nation, the headquarters or the UN office. And then there, you can view the Waipo. At syempre may dancing fountain sa harap niya kung saan tuwang-tuwa ang mga bata. Ayun yung Waipo.
Ask their countries to sign the Treaty on Landmines in 1997.
And then, naglakad ulit kami. Lakad kami ng lakad. Papunta sa Ariana Park. Sa Ariana Park, marami rin kaming nakita katulad ng replica ng Shinagawa Bell. Okay, and then, nakita rin namin dito yung Ceramic Museum. Tapos, humiwalay muna ako kasi naiihina ako. And then, minit ko na sila hanggang pagpunta nila sa ICRC. Then, marami pa kami nadaan ng mga statue, memorials. Ito, Ceramic Museum yan. Tapos, sa labas ng Ceramic Museum, ayan, picture. And then, finally, the ICRC is the final destination. Pero, may nadaan pa rin kami mga statue. That's the ICRC. International Committee of the Red Cross. Then I went back there to get a better picture, a more decent picture at the Palais de Nation. and the high chair. So you can see, mas maganda at hindi nagmamadali ang mga litrato ko. Then, dito sa mga ceramic na art on the wall, dun sa may gate ng UN. Thanks for watching. Be kind, be a blessing to others, and always remember to glorify God with a grateful heart. This is Attorney Angel, and I'm your legal angel. Bora he!